toward the brighter side.
Aloha, this is Skye with immunity boosting foods for you. Yeah. Now we're doing our juicing, and so today it's our juice mix: melon, watermelon, honeydew melon with pineapple. Yum. This should be great. Let's go ahead and mix it up. Yeah. And it's going to be good for your system. Okay, so here's our watermelon, piece of honeydew melon, and piece of pineapple. Not much. I'm going to make about 2 cups and a half out of this, or as I should say, 2 beer mugs and a quarter. So these are very ripe fruits. That's what you want. The secret to good juicing is using ripe fruits. Okay, so I chopped up the fruit. Some of these juicers say you may not need to, but I would, no matter what type of juicer it is. Okay, so we're going to put this in, and we're going to juice it up. So that's the pulp, and now here comes the big secret. I take all that pulp, I slide it all the way back into here, and then you re-juice it. That's the secret to getting extra juice. You just re-juice it. So here's the juice. We have a little over a liter out of what that little thing made. And what did that cost me? Less than $7-8 for all that fruit, because it was twice the size when I bought it. This is my 2nd liter. So for less than $8 I made 2 liters of juice. Can't get that at Jamba. Can't get that at the smoothie shop, juice shop, cold press shop, because I got it here and it's cold. Alright, here's the juice. It is delicious. And you can put it in the freezer and freeze it, and it'll turn right back to juice. Unlike those processed juices that, you know, spoil once you freeze them and undo it. This is great. This is tasteful, and it gives you energy, and it's good for you. It builds up your immunity, and it keeps you hydrated. Yeah. So if you want to know more info about juicing, or want to know about more recipes, contact me at immunity_wellness@gmail.com. You can donate if you care to. Just contact me on the email. So remember, for good juicing recipes for your immunity and wellness, go to Immunity and Wellness Recipes. Thanks for watching. Thanks for juicing. Peace.